Hello everyone. In the previous classes, we discussed about the second chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes. About latitudes, already we have discussed in the first class. And about longitude, we have discussed in the last class. Okay? Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic time zones. Okay? Time zones. Here zones means areas or regions or places. Okay? Different countries have different timings. Okay? So why the time is different for different countries, and based on what the time is calculated. Okay? Let us discuss in this class. See here, this is total world map, and here you can find one red color line. The red color line is Greenwich meridian, one of the longitude. 0 degrees longitude is called as Greenwich meridian. Yes or no? Okay. Based on this 0 degree longitude or Greenwich meridian, the time is calculated. Okay? The time is calculated based on Greenwich meridian, and this Greenwich meridian is passing through one place, that is Greenwich in England. Okay? In England, one place Greenwich is there. Through that place, this Greenwich meridian is passing. Okay? Based on this line, we are calculating the time around the world. See here. This Greenwich meridian is called as International Standard Time. International Standard Time. That means IST. I for international, S for standard, next T for time. IST or International Standard Time. That means all these countries around the world, they will follow one time, that is IST. Okay? Now, observe these white color lines also. You can find some white color lines. Okay? Now see here. Standard time zones of the world. The entire world is classified into some number of time zones. Okay? That some number of time zones is 24. Daily, per one day how many hours? 24 hours. Okay? For 24 hours, 24 time zones. Okay? You can see here 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay now? Towards east side, time is plus. That means ahead. Okay? And towards the west side, -1, -2, -3. And all these are time zones only. Up to here, 12. 0 to 12. And here 0 to -12. That means these are the 12. 12 plus 12. Total how many? 24 time zones. 24 time zones. And the 0. Here one international standard time, this is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. And one more thing. Through India, IST, Indian Standard Time. We are following this timeline. Okay? Now see here carefully. Total, how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. Okay? For each degree, one longitude. Total 360 degrees. And how many hours? 24 hours. Next, that means 24 hours, 24 time zones. Just now I said. And one time zone equals to 1 hour. Okay, 24 hours, 24 time zones. That means 1 hour one time zone. And see here, for 15 degrees 1 hour, total 360 degrees 24 hours. That means per 1 hour how many degrees? 360 upon 24. If you do cancellation, you will get 15 degrees. Okay? For every 15 degrees, 1 hour time will be changes. Okay? For example, if you are moving 15 degrees towards east side, 15 degrees towards east side, then 1 hour changes, 1 hour time difference. Okay? And if you move further 15 degrees, that means 30 degrees, 2 hours time difference. Okay? For 15 degrees, 1 hour changes. That means 1 degree how much? 4 minutes. How you will get this? Total 60 minutes divided by 15 degrees. 60 upon 15, 4 minutes. Okay? For every 1 degree, 4 minutes time changes. Okay na? For every 1 degree, 4 minutes time changes. Remember this point. These two are very important. For 1 hour 15 degrees or for 1 degree 4 minutes. Okay? Now see here. India. Here one standard meridian is passing through India. What is the standard meridian? Indian standard meridian, that is 82 degrees 30 minutes. 82 degrees 30 minutes. 30 minutes means in 1 hour half. 30 minutes means in 1 hour half. That means 82 and half. 82 and half degrees. Okay? 82 and half degrees latitude. Now this Indian standard meridian is passing through Allahabad, UP. See here, this dotted line. This is UP, Uttar Pradesh. In this Uttar Pradesh, one place Allahabad. Through this place, Indian standard meridian is passing. Important point. Important point. Okay. Next, here, how to calculate our Indian standard time? Observe carefully. Just now I told you na, for 1 degree 4 minutes. For 1 degree 4 minutes. And this is what is the degree of this line? What is the degree of this magnitude? 82 degrees 30 minutes. That means 82 and half degrees. So for 82 degrees 30 minutes. That means 82 and half. 82 and half means 82.5 into 4. Why? Because 1 degree 4 minutes. 82 and half degrees into 4. Then 330 minutes you will get. Okay? 330 minutes means convert into hours divided by 60. How much you will get? 330 divided by 60. 5.5. That means 5 and half hours. 5 and half hours. Here we are present east side. See here, India is present towards east. East means ahead. East means ahead. Okay, now forward. That's why in our India, time is 5 and half hours ahead. Okay, I will tell you an example. In London, the time is 12 p.m. That means afternoon 12 o'clock. Okay. Now, in England, now can you guess the timing in India? In our India, what is the time? Just now I said. So, India is present ahead. That means in the east side. That means ahead. Time is ahead, forward. Okay? And I told you, this IST is 82 and half degrees. 82 and half degrees latitude. That means if you do into 4. Why? Because for every 1 degree 4 minutes. 82 and a half degrees into 4. That means how much? 330 minutes. Okay na? 330 minutes means convert into hours. Then how much you will get? 5 and a half hours. Okay? How to convert 330 minutes into hours? Divided by 60. Okay? Now how much time we got? 5 and a half hours. India is present towards east for the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. That's why 5 and a half hours plus. Okay? If the time is 12 o'clock in England, then 12 plus 5 and a half hours. Total 17 and a half hours. 17 and a half means how much? This is 12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the time. Now from 12, 5 and a half hours forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means and half. Okay? Here 12 plus 5 and a half means 17 and a half. That means 5 and a half. The time is 5:30 p.m. in India. Okay na? 5:30 p.m. in India. For example, in England, the time is 3 p.m. Okay? In England, the time is 3 p.m. Now, what will be the timing in India? 3 p.m. plus 5 and a half hours. Okay? That means how much? 8 and a half hours. So, this is the time in India. Okay? Always 5 and a half hours ahead. For example, in the exact position, 5 and a half hours, one more line is there. Okay? One more magnitude, that is 5 and a half. Okay, now 5 and a half hours difference. That means this is also 82 and a half degrees latitude. Okay, now this is 82 and a half degree latitudes towards west. Towards west. Okay. Now here in USA, what is the time? For example, this is okay na? In USA, the time is what? When in England 12 p.m. When in England 12 p.m. What will be the time in USA? This is the latitude is 82 and a half degrees. That means same like India. That means 5 and a half hours. Here back 5 and a half hours back side. This is ahead. Okay, now in India ahead. In USA before. That means back. Okay, 12 minus 5 and a half. How much? Here 12 minus 5 and a half. That means 6:30. Yes or no? 6 and a half. 6:30 plus 5:30, total 12. So 6:30 morning AM. Okay, 6:30 AM. If in England 12 PM, afternoon 12 o'clock, then in America 6:30 AM. Okay. So in this way we will calculate the standard time of any country by using the standard meridian passing through that country. Okay na? Standard meridian passing through that country.